Hello and welcome to another episode of CUET Current Affairs. Let's begin. Which country is emerging as a key player in sustainable manufacturing at Arab Blast 2025? China, India, UAE, or Germany? The correct answer is option B, India. India is highlighted as a key player in sustainable manufacturing, focusing on innovations in biodegradable plastics and recycling technologies. Next, which language is the third most widely spoken language in the world? English, Mandarin Chinese, Hindi, or Spanish? The correct answer is option C, Hindi. Hindi is the third most widely spoken language in the world, with about 600 million speakers globally, following Mandarin Chinese and English. Next, in which city was the pilot program for cashless treatment for road accident victims first launched? Delhi, Mumbai, Chandigarh, or Bengaluru? The correct answer is option C, Chandigarh. The pilot program for cashless treatment of road accident victims was first launched in Chandigarh on 14 March 2024. Next, what percentage of global lithium reserves does China currently hold? 6%, 16.5%, 10%, or 12%? The correct answer is option B, 16.5%. China's lithium reserves have risen to 16.5% of the global total, making it the world's second largest holder of lithium reserves. Next, how many sports disciplines will be featured in the 38th National Games? 38, 30, 40, or 32? The correct answer is option A, 38. The 38th National Games will feature 38 sports disciplines along with 4 demonstration events. Next, where is the ship repair facility project being considered, which will serve 32 vessels per year? Vadinar, Tuna Tikra, Goa, or Chennai? The correct answer is option A, Vadinar. A ship repair facility is being considered at Vadinar, which will be capable of serving 32 vessels per year. Next, which government initiative is associated with the manufacturing of the metro coaches? Digital India, Make in India, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, or Atmanirbhar Bharat? The correct answer is option B, Make in India. The metro coaches are manufactured under the Make in India initiative, promoting indigenous manufacturing. Next, which generation precedes Generation Beta? Generation X, Generation Alpha, Generation Z, or Millennials? The correct answer is option B, Generation Alpha. Generation Beta follows Generation Alpha, children born between 2011 and 2024. Next, when did the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas platform begin? 1995, 2000, 2003, or 2005? The correct answer is option C, 2003. The Pravasi Bharatiya Divas was established in 2003 under the leadership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Next, how many languages will the eShram portal now support after the launch of the multilingual functionality? 10, 15, 22, or 25? The correct answer is option C, 22. The eShram portal will now support all 22 scheduled languages as part of the multilingual functionality. Now it's time for the practice question. Which international system is Bharat Call designed to connect with? United Nations Crime Bureau, Interpol, European Union Law Enforcement Network, or FBI? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.